muri Zimbabwe gemu richikakatiwa, vanhu vachidhonza vachitora pawa, munhu achiunganidza pawa achiti inini ndofanira kuramba ndichitonga, hanzi mimi vaine peace, ndirambe ndichitonga. So muri Zimbabwe pane nyaya dzakawanda manje dziri kubatanidzwa right now, because right now pane izvi ndo pane zvinhu zvaakuitika manje muZimbabwe. So tine Constitution Defenders Forum yaissue statement, and in this statement muri yeZimbabwe vari kubatanidza one man one vote nenyaya yevakadzi. Imbonzwai hanzi, the principle of one man one vote is inseparable from the recognition of women as equal citizens whose voices, rights and representation must be protected without exception. Any attempt to silence, sideline or structurally weaken women's participation is a direct betrayal of that legacy. And Amendment Bill number 3, particularly its intention to dismantle the Gender Commission, represents a dangerous reversal of hard-won gains. It signals a retreat from accountability, from equality, and from the constitutional protections that women fought to secure. Right? Muri Zimbabwe, why is it that Amendment Bill number 3 seeks to dismantle the Gender Commission? Why was the Gender Commission there in the first place? You understand? What's the functions of the... What are the functions of the Zimbabwe Gender Commission? Right, timbotisa statement rakomana toda kumbonyatsotarisa what are the functions, because apa ndo pane the whole thing muri Zimbabwe, kuti because Mnangagwa wakabva nesikuru achitivhara mbijana achiuya achipa artist edu mota so unofanira kunzwisisa iwe kuti direction rakutogwa panapa nderipi, handiti? So in Zimbabwe, the Gender Commission, ZGC, is one of the independent chapter 12 institutions created by the Constitution to protect democracy. Its main job is to ensure that men and women are treated equally and that the constitutional rights regarding gender are actually followed in real life. Apa ndo padzvengwa vanhu, ndo pasiri kunzwisisa vanhu vazhinji. Apa munofanira kuzoteeresa muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi the ZGC, Zimbabwe Gender Commission, is there to protect the democracy, but not izvo chete. Its main job is to ensure that men and women are treated equally. So why iwewe as a president would you look at an independent institution yafa ne ZGC and then think, you know what, inofanira kubviswa? Why would a leader, any president, be thinking of things like that? Tofanira kubvisa manji Zimbabwe Gender Commission iyo inoita kuti varume nevakadzi vatreatwe zvakafanana mune ino nyika. Unobvisirei chinhu chakadaro? Muri Zimbabwe, do the women around Mnangagwa even know about this? Have they ever taken thought about it? Kuti chiri kubvisigwa an institution make sure kuti ma rights evakadzi nevarume, equality ya maintain, they are treated equally. In fact, we are not talking about men in this sense. Apart from vakadzi, kuti vakadzi, it makes sure that vakadzi are treated equally. And it among group chema equal rights, one group chema vakadzi. So regai tinde mberi boss apa mazvinzwisisa muri Zimbabwe panotiwa nema games anoda kupinzigwa akaipa. Hanzi we reject any effort to roll back the progress of the liberation struggle. Women will not be erased from the constitutional order, nor reduced in voice or visibility. We stand firm for equality, for representation, and for a Zimbabwe where the gains of liberation are protected, not undone. Hashtag reject Amendment Bill number 3. Hashtag defend the Constitution. Right, muri Zimbabwe apa ndo patoda kumbonyatso kupinda mbijana because kuti tinzwisise the kind of regime yatiri kudhila nayo, we have to go a little bit backward tichitarisa isusu steps that were taken to prepare for this moment yekuti Amendment Bill number 3 rava mberi kwemunhu wese now ma-true colors abudiswa ese pajekerere kuti bvu, hapasina kuvanda, hapasina kudii. So toda kunyatsokutaura panyaya iyi murezimbabwe kuti imimi what have you seen in the government yaMnangagwa kubva, let's say 2023, things that you can see kuti Mnangagwa was preparing actually to be president for life. First of all, toda kumbotaura about gold mafia, because I know a lot of people forget about the documentary ye-Al Jazeera yaitaura about the gold mafia, right? So vanorangarira chinhu ichi, when they go back, they remember mukomana anonzi Hubert Angel. Hubert Angel waitaura vaizviti ma-investors in that video, in that series Gold Mafia, andini waitaura nema-investors, achiudza ma-investors. Hubert Angel wakataura kati my-investors were like, scared of like what the stability in the country. It is because those were not investors actually. They pretended to be money launderers, people who have money, dirty money, that they have to come and clean it in Zimbabwe. So these people vakaibvunzwa concerned with iwe, how about stability? Mukomana Hubert Angel ndobva ataura direct akati imimi musavhunduka, that president is president for life. So this is actually Mnangagwa's inner circle murezimbabwe. That guy was not even in doubt, and as a matter of fact, he said auxilia Mnangagwa ndiye akabata chunechi, anditi right. So zvichireva kuti in other words murezimbabwe togona takatasa vana Tagwirei, vana Tungwarara, vana Chichichi, vana Chris Mutsvango vese vaya muchiti mimi vana Tagwirei unoda kuita president, Tungwarara unoda kuita president. Izvo timu riya riya rotozviziva kuti aripo uyo haabvi. Boss anenge akataudza kuti no, ini guys handisi kutozobva, ndichatoita president for life. Boss kana akatoudza vana Hubert Angel zvirova kuti ndo zviripo. And also let's talk about how big statement rekunzi zvinhu zvose zviri kuraniwa nemukadzi. How does that, because muona chii murezimbabwe, traditionally isusu as Zimbabweans, as Africans, as Africans, let me say as Africans, we have our culture yedu. Mostly women are not trained to be leaders. They are trained to nurture, to follow. It doesn't mean that women by themselves they are followers, but the culture trains them. It cultivates them into followers, into nurturers, taking care of family and stuff. So once you let a woman in a position of power, and that power she didn't actually earn it. If she earned it, like maybe aka campaign and over winner, we understand that one, she have become political. You understand? If you understand what I'm saying, somebody like we can talk about a woman who have won, maybe Fadza Mahere. She can fight her way through if she owina parliament, owina kwakati. But ukazonzwewe Hubert Angel achikudza kuti auxilia ndiye ari kurana government. Well, on what basis? On what merit? On the merit yekuti she just married Mnangagwa? Well, that's not merit enough, because now what it means, we have an unelected president. Grace tried this. Grace tried this in Zimbabwe. You have an unelected president. You have somebody who doesn't have qualifications, who doesn't have skills, who don't understand what the masses think, what the people want. But simply because she married a guy who have been building his political career and who ended up being the president, and now the guy is tired. Murezimbabwe ndo patiri kudzoka panyaya yekuva tired. Mugabe was good the whole time when he was fresh, when he was able. Grace was just there watching. But the moment Grace realized kuti murume wangu is now sleeping, is now slow, because wakura, she then tries to take over and do the things that Mugabe was doing, but she will do it in a very wrong way, which is the same way if we are to stand with the words mashoko Hubert Angel pa gold mafia paper. you can see that, okay, even auxiliary have realized that, no, Mnangagwa wakura, Mnangagwa wava neusimbe, Mnangagwa wava nechi, let me take over and run this. Ndo pamunoona ka zvimabills ekumombe zvichipinzwa zvimabill number 3 iwe, there's no way Mnangagwa in his prime, msoja yeah, would think of putting bill number 3. He would have found some other tricks, not to kupinzira bill number 3 rokuti rino-offender even the army. How do you do that? Rino-offender army because in itself rine a direct amendment yekuti riri kuda kutora power from the army. You understand? And also tuchidzoka panyaya yekuti Mnangagwa wakuda kurambidza vakadzi kuvhota etc. We are saying we are looking at bill number 3 because who fought for women rights? They will say it's women who fought for women rights, but you'll be surprised that it's actually men who fought for women rights. And why would the bill number 3 seek to take away an institution iripo under section 12 yeconstitution yedu yakaiswa kuti ivepo an independent institution to make sure that women are treated equally? Who would try to take that right away? Right, muri Zimbabwe muri kuzvinzwira imimi, muri kuona kuti nyaya yasvika papi, muri kunyatsokuona kuti izvi ndo mamiro akaita zvinhu. So tichaimirira panapa muri Zimbabwe, muonyatsokuidzeya mega nyaya yese, manyatsokuinzwisisa. Stay tuned, stay subscribed for more updates. Mnoziva you will never miss on any important updates in Zimbabwean news, Zimbabwe politics, Zimbabwe entertainment, Zimbabwe everything. Pano pa channel yevanhu. So thank you for watching.